Okay, this is a demonstration of how a keypad demo. This is a keypad demo, and here we go. So I'm gonna arm the system, which you click 1, 2, 3, 4, and then away. Armed. You may exit now, it says. And then if I enter my code, it'll disarm the system. Disarmed. Now if I click fire and hold it, an alarm goes off and it goes back to normal mode. Now if I click 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 2, it arms the system. I'm just waiting for it to arm. Okay, now it's armed. And then see first floor motion sensor went off. Now if I click fire, the fire alarm button in the garage, it goes off. And then now, if I click bedroom 1, fire alarm goes off. Now I'm gonna hit the police panic button, and it goes panic alarm. And then I'm gonna hit ambulance, and then 1. So that's basically how it works. So if anybody has any questions, please let me know. And thanks for watching, and please rate and comment.